So Corey, how did you hear about American Paving Design?
I actually researched you guys online. You guys had a lot of great reviews from a lot of people that have had you guys in the past, and that's kind of why I went with you guys.
And why did you and your wife decide to redo your outdoor space?
Honestly, more living area, better place to hang out. There really wasn't much out here, so it was a little easier to have a patio, so somewhere to hang out.
Did you have this design in mind, or did American Paving Design help you design the area?
I actually drew up the design myself, and then you actually helped me make it better.
Did you have a paver already chosen, or did American Paving Design help you choose the paver color?
American Paver Design helped me choose the color, and actually the 3 brick versus the 2 brick. So.
And your seating wall, how did you come up with that double seating wall concept?
You guys, actually. I was originally going to do one, kind of like the wall in the back, but you guys kind of talked me into doing the 2, more seating room for people.
And as a homeowner, what was it like working with our installation crews?
It was very easy. I mean, you guys came out, and if it wasn't for the rain, you guys would have had it done in literally 2 days. You guys worked me really good. Steve is amazing. He actually even fixed the brick in the front of my house that fell off. So.
That's awesome. And now that it's all finished, what do you do now for fun out here?
Now, hopefully, I'll be having you guys come back to build me a grill area, and then we're gonna get a fire pit going, and we'll be hanging out here, just having a fire during the wintertime.
And would you recommend American Paving Design to your neighbors and your family?
Of course, I actually already have, and hopefully they've already reached out to you.